Welcome back to Home Garage, and in this video we're going to review this Snowmaster foam cannon version 2 that I just purchased. Now I was on the hunt for a good foam cannon that was reasonably priced, as my last one wasn't working anymore to my liking. This one was recommended by the nice folks at Carzilla, which is located in Calgary, Alberta. Now this particular model has a heavy-duty clear bottle with a molded grip. Capacity is 35 ounces or 1,000 milliliters. Dry weight is 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilos. Pressure rating is between 1,000 to 3,000 psi. For your convenience, this can also attach the bottles with a 28/400 thread pattern. It's made of corrosion-resistant chrome-plated copper materials. It comes with a 1/4-inch fitting for an easy and fast connection to your pressure washer. Its internals come standard with a 1.25 orifice. This is your concentration knob for more or less foam. This adjusts your spray nozzle for foam pattern. And this pivots your spray nozzle from vertical to horizontal. Now let's get our dilution in here so you can see this foam cannon in action, and I'll be using Ethos today. So with 35 ounces of water, I'm using approximately 3 ounces of soap. For a pressure washer, I'm using this Greenworks Electric Power Washer versus my gas, mainly because of the noise. And with the car already rinsed, we're now into the wash foam. Check out this foam. Now, some have swapped out the 1.25 orifice for a 1.1 and have experienced a thicker foam. But for now, I'm happy with this. There you have it, the Snowmaster foam cannon version 2 in action, and I'm really satisfied with its performance. I will place a link in the description below on where I purchased mine, and as of the date of this video, it was selling for $63.99. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.